If you're a video editor and you want to get more clients, this is the video for you. But before we jump into it, let me explain a little bit who I am. They call me the cold email king around these parts. I authored a book called The Cold Email Manifesto, and I used to do marketing for a lead generation company that had over $1 million a month in revenue. Now we run a suite of SaaS tools, including LeadShark, Omni Outreach, and Taplio, and an agency that provides lead generation services as well. So we know a thing or two about cold email, millions of cold emails sent. And the Cold Email Teardown series is all about taking your underperforming cold emails and rebuilding them into something that you can use for outbound marketing, because cold email is a superpower and you deserve to learn it. Stick around. Before we jump into it, make sure you smash that like button for this type of content and subscribe down below for more cold email videos. This is from Kunal Jiwani. He said, I used this for hot leads. Hey, Dallas Andrews, I love the work you're doing at our agency, Exposed Media. Just saw that you're looking for someone to help edit short videos for your customers. You are looking for someone with experience with transitions, cuts, B-roll, animations, captions, animated captions, and now you must be wondering who the hell I am. Well, I am Kunal, helping content creators and influencers worldwide to enhance their video production quality. Having 2+ years of experience in the industry, I would like to help you up your content creation game. It's hard to read. Always hard to read the version 1s of these. It's like you guys don't read the emails before you send them. As you know, the Instagram algorithm favors videos that have high user retention rates, and I know how to do just that. Not talking much. Here's a link to some of my past work. Maybe we'll check that out later in the teardown. Please check it out. Let me know what you think about it. Have a wonderful day. Best regards, Kunal Jiwani. He typoed his own name. Great. And he says, subject line is usually quick question for name or name your video editor here. And he says his open rate is 99%, which I do not believe because he has not included any data. And so I'm just going to delete that. And his response rate is 2 out of 10, which I also don't believe because he's delivered no data. So we can't go with anything that he said, which is great. I would implore you all to be very honest with your data. It would be better for him to say no data. Because imagine I didn't have the ability to distinguish fake from real data. I would have just said, oh, it's a 99% open rate. Everyone should use name your YouTube video editor here as the subject line. It's got a 99% open rate. It's like lying to your doctor. If you tell your doctor you're not in pain, but you're actually in full body pain, how is he supposed to cure you? The structure of a cold email teardown is first we want to get to the heart of the offer. And once we have that, it'll be easy for us to construct the cold email campaign. So we want to lock in on 3 things. 1, what is the offer and what is the case study? From here, we're going to be able to construct a high converting email campaign. So let's look at this. What is his target based on this email? I just saw that you're looking for someone to help edit short videos for your customers. And he said it was for hot leads? If it's for hot leads, why is he introducing himself? So I'm going to treat this like a cold email. Again, cannot trust a single thing this guy's saying. Very worrisome, Kunal Jiwani. I don't know if you didn't understand the assignment or what. Target, offer, case study. So his target is marketing agencies. His offer is video editing for Instagram. And then his case study. In order to find his case study, let's look at his YouTube Shorts, which off the bat, you're pitching Instagram video editing and you're showing YouTube Shorts as your portfolio. I'm so angry. I don't know. Like, how do you guys not know this? I'm just here. This is what cold email teardowns has become. Just me insulting you. You maybe don't know. Don't pitch Instagram as a specialty while showing YouTube Shorts. And also the subject line you said that is a 99% open rate is your YouTube editor here. What is this, bro? So let's look at one of these shorts. Let's see what we got here. Killing me.
Grandma is probably outperforming you in the stock market this year. At least that's what a study of all accounts held at Fidelity says. Get this, their investors from the best returns from 2003 and 2013 were all either dead or had inactive accounts.
Okay, there we go. So your dead grandma's better investor than you. Nick Talks Money. How's this doing? 10,000 subs. Great. Are they all for Nick Talks Money? Or are they for different channels?
By the way, I'm going to tell you my biggest...
So let's find his biggest case study. So he's got Shashank Adupa. who has 113,000 subs on YouTube. That's great. Let's look at this one. Another Shawshank Adupa. Then he has Nick Talks Money, which is 10,000 subs. And the fourth one is
Mr. Teacher.
Nick Talks Money again. Okay, so his biggest client then is Shawshank Adupa, who has 113,000 subs. Edited content for Shawshank Adupa, which helped him grow to 113,000 subscribers. Great. On YouTube, not on Instagram. So second piece of advice here is change your offer. Video editing for Instagram. Let's just pitch video editing for YouTube Shorts specifically. All right. And now you can actually use your subject line, which is name your YouTube editor here, which has a 99% open rate. I'm furious, dude. I'm so mad. Okay. So we've got our target, we've got our offer, and we've got our case study. So now we can write a cold email that follows the 3 C's. Compliment, case study, call to action. So we'll start with a new subject line. Let's do quick question as a start. Because you're targeting influencers, you can also do from a fan, which also is a decent take. Now, email itself. Hey, Dallas Andrews. I would instead do like one name, Hey, Dallas. Love the work you're doing at our agency, Exposed Media. This I don't even understand. At our agency, Exposed Media. I think we're pitching influencers directly for video editing. Marketing agencies for YouTube Shorts. Hey, Dallas. Love the work that you do at Exposed Media. Great lineup of influencers. I specialize in editing YouTube Shorts and would love to join the team as a freelancer. Recently, I edited content for Shawshank Adupa, which helped him grow to 113,000 subscribers on YouTube. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick chat? Thanks. Kunal. And then you put your signature down here. So there we go. Subject. Quick question. Hey Dallas, love the work that you do at Exposed Media. Great lineup of influencers. I specialize in editing YouTube Shorts and would love to join the team as a freelancer. Recently, I edited content for Shawshank Adupa, which helped him grow to 113,000 subscribers on YouTube. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick chat? Thanks, Kunal. That's an email that converts. Let's do the before and after. Before, typoed name, unclear message. After, clean email, beautiful message. Before, impossible to understand what's going on. After, easy to understand what's going on. Before, email that he had to lie about the open rates because they were so low and he didn't even track. After, email that will top perform and is a great starting point for his cold email campaigns. If you want me to rewrite your email script, it's very easy. You can join our community of top performing entrepreneurs, and I can talk to you every single week to help improve your campaigns. To do that, you can go to the link below in the description, or you can just join email10k.com and I will talk to you soon. And if you want leads for your cold email campaigns, you can get 200 B2B leads for $9 by going to leadshark.com/YouTube. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.